Hi guys, I'm David Setiabudi and I'm with Kitty Chick, and together we are going to explain you what is the term of internet, website, web page, domain, URL, www, there are 3 W's, server, and copyright. What are those things? Because sometimes even myself cannot differ them. It's too much. So I'm going to explain you one by one. Right, Kitty? Let's go. Now, the first term is the internet. The internet is, read it, the internet is a system of connections which joins up millions of computers all around the world. Okay, your computer can be joined with me, we can talk to each other, and there is a system of connections that which is connecting you and me and everyone else in the world. That's the internet. Okay, now I'm going to explain you about these 3 terms, which is the first one is the web page, the website, and the World Wide Web. Now, you see this book? Okay, this is the book, and each book inside have pages. Okay, so as you see in the picture, one page in the book is somehow is equals to web page. The page in the book, we refer that one to a web page. And one book, all of this is a website. All of the pages become one book, but in the internet it's called a website. And World Wide Web is a collection of all of the books in the world, but it's not books, but it's the web pages. Okay, for the correct information or explanation, we are going to see the next one. Okay, now web page, website, and World Wide Web. Web page is a single screen of online content. This book is not online. Okay, this book is not online. Okay, we read it here, and it's nice, a nice book. And then a web page, a single screen of online content that you can view in a web browser. Okay, done. It's a single screen, like a single page like this. Web page, the page in the book. Website, a collection of linked web. Of course, the pages here is linked. Okay, it's binded into one. So a website is a collection of linked web pages controlled by one organization. What organization? Let's find out later on. www, or World Wide Web, is the collection of all the web pages in the world. For more detail, let's go on. So, web page, this is one page here. You see, it's only one. A single screen of online content, online, of course. A single screen of online content that you can view in the web browser. What is the web a web browser, when you use a Google Chrome, you use Mozilla, you use Opera, you use Internet Explorer, that one is a web browser. Okay? And through the web browser, you can see this. Okay? You can see the web page through the web browser. Now, website. What is a website? So, a website is a collection of linked web pages controlled by one organization. So let's say here, you see the Wikipedia of Malaysia, Indonesia, Wikipedia of Indonesia, Wikipedia of India, Singapore, Japan, US, Philippines, and Korea, and other countries in the world. So, because all of this is a Wikipedia of this country, Wikipedia of that country, or Wikipedia about animals, or so on, so all of them is a website. Okay, one web page, one web page, one web page, one web page, and the collection is become one link and controlled by one organization, which is Wikipedia, right, Kitty? As Kitty said, this website is owned by Wikipedia organization. So this is the Wikipedia website. Do you understand that one? Let's move next. Now, World Wide Web. The collection of all web pages in the world. Okay, the collection of all web pages in the world is called World Wide Web. Okay. Now you see here Wikipedia. There's mydivinekids.com, which let's promote this. I'm creating 200 games for free downloads, so you can play those games for free. And this one is Facebook, and this one is anime website, and there are other websites. Okay, so the collection of all web pages in the world is World Wide Web. www. Now, what is URL? URL. Basically, URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. And for example, www.divinekids.com, mine, that's mine. Okay, that one is a URL, or equals to web address. Example, google.com, or https google.com, that one is also considered as URL, a complete long URL. And facebook.com, Wikipedia, org, ELC, edu, my, and which the HTTPS, S means secure. Okay, all of those are called URL. Is that easily to be understood? The things that when you type google.com, that one is a URL. Don't say it website. Okay, the things that with the HTTPS, it's called URL. Moving forward, domain. What is a domain? A domain is a part of the URL. Let's say the URL is divinekids.com. That .com is a domain. Example.com, .info, .gov, government, .edu, education, .org, organization. That one, those names are called domain. Okay? In some domains you need to pay, and some domains are free. Okay? So, domain is one part in the URL. Okay, next. Download and upload. I think you already understand about this. So, upload. If you put something in the internet, you put your photo, you put your video, and you put somewhere, it's not in your hard drive. I don't know where, but it's not in the hard drive. It's actually put in the internet server. If you put it there, you put somewhere, you give something somewhere of your file, that one is called upload. You make a website and everyone can see your website. It's upload. But when you get something, let's say, whoa, this video is nice. So you get some file from the internet. That one is called download. You like a picture and you want to save it to your computer. From the internet, you grab a picture. You do right click and save as. You save as the picture to your computer. It's saved into your computer, not in the somewhere or in the internet server. So it means you are doing download. Do you get this? Okay, if you got this, it's good then. So let's move forward. This one is download. I'm just giving you pictures here because I have explained that to you. This one is upload. Okay, so Kitty said, you make a website and put your photo there. That's upload. So, Mr. David put the tutorial video on the YouTube. That is upload or download. I want to know, Mr. David put all of, oops, I need to stick it in again. Okay. So, Mr. David put the video here. There's a lot of video. I have created the tutorial. Okay, I have created a lot of tutorial in the YouTube. So that one is called upload or download. Okay. Now, next. Server. What is a server? So, server is a computer that is connected to the internet. Okay, this one, you see? If you have a server at home, wow, it's marvelous. I don't know what are you using the server for, unless you are an IT expert or you have a company or something. Okay, this server is a computer that is connected to the internet. Anyone with an internet connection can upload or download content. So you put your file, you are creating a website, you put your file into the server. Okay? And when you heard about cloud, I'm saving it in the cloud. Actually, it's not the sky, the real cloud You put it in the air? No, you put it in the server. Okay, cloud is also a server in a building. Okay, it's just named as cloud. It's not the real cloud. Okay, now the next one, web hosting service. What is a web hosting service? Okay, web hosting, read it. Web hosting service is a company that lets you make a web page. Okay, the company said, well, come here and you can create your website, web page here. So that one is called web hosting service. It's a company that lets you make a web page. The company has a software that lets you upload your content to the server in the internet. The company has a server and you put your pictures, your music, your videos there, and then it becomes a website that can be accessed by everyone in the world. That one is a web hosting server, web hosting service. Okay, so you use the Google sites to create a website. That Google is the web hosting service. Here, I screenshot from the internet. In 2008, Google launched Google Sites. To serve as a web hosting solution for Google users, similar to WordPress.com, Blogger, and other free blogging platforms. Okay, moving next. Now, web builder software. Read it. The software that lets you build a website is called web builder software. Okay, because through the web builder software, you create the website. Okay, if you are going to create a rocket, then it's a rocket creator. The tools that you use is a rocket creator. If you want to create a spaceship, then it is called spaceship creator. But this one, you want to create a website, so it's called web builder software. Example, Google Sites. You create a website using a Google Sites. So the Google Sites is a web builder software. See, this one, you can choose the word and you can make it bold, or you can make as a normal text, header or something. And here there are a lot of choices. You see, layouts, collapse text button here. Okay, through this web builder software, which is called Google Sites, you can create a website. Okay, what is What is CAPTCHA? CAPTCHA is a verification process to differ you, a human, to an automated software, or some people call it robot. Human or robot. So, by doing this security check or verification, it can know whether you are a human or not. So here, you see the GS question mark and so on. That one is only can be answered by humans. Up until today, no artificial intelligence can answer that. Perhaps. I don't know. So, only the human can answer this captcha. So, what is a copyright? Basically, the work you've done, okay, let's say you are creating a website, you create some arts or drawing, or you create a game, that one has a copyright. It belongs to you. Let's say me, Mr. David, claiming your works. Let's say I'm saying, oh, this game created by me. So I claim your work as mine. That one is not a right act. That one is breaking the copyright law. So work done by the other people is covered by copyright laws. You cannot use my photos, my drawings in the internet without permission. It is violating the copyright laws. Okay? But some photos is made possible by sharing system called Creative Commons. The Creative Commons, all items in the Creative Commons can be used, but you cannot sell them. So let's say I'm putting all of my artworks, some of my artworks in the Creative Commons. It means I'm letting you to use the pictures, but then please don't sell it, okay? You need to ask for my permission as the owner. Publish a website. Okay, this is the last one, guys. So, publish a website. Here, when you are creating the Google sites, when you press the publish, then everyone in the world can see your web page. Everyone can read it. Okay? So, make sure before you publish anything, make sure all of the contents are okay. And it's not violating the copyright laws. Thank you for studying together with me, David Setiabudi and Kitty. And I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you like it, you can subscribe or press like. Thank you.